Olá a todos! If you've been following my work, you know how I truly believe that watching Portuguese shows is a great way to learn the language. If you are a total beginner, it might be more challenging, but still totally worth it. I have exciting news about a new Portuguese series that is premiering on Netflix very soon. I will walk you through the benefits of language learning through this type of content and how you can make the most of it. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe. I also wanted to share that I recently launched my new project, European Portuguese for Kids, online classes for children. We will be starting with group summer classes. Feel free to reach out if you are interested. E agora, vamos começar! On Friday, May 26th, Netflix will be launching the 7-episode Portuguese series Rabo de Peixe, which in English was given a total different title, Turn of the Tide. Rabo de Peixe is the name of a village in the island of São Miguel in the Azores, which literally means fishtail. This new Netflix series will join the others we already talked about in our channel, Glória and Até que a Vida nos Separe. As the name suggests, the series was mainly filmed in the village of Rabo de Peixe, a small fisherman town, but also in the mainland for cinematographic reasons. The director defines the show as a thriller with a bit of sarcastic humor and is inspired on a real-life event. When, in June 2001, a yacht on its way to the Balearic Islands sank near the village of Rabo de Peixe while carrying cocaine, of which only 400 kilos were recovered. Before this event, São Miguel didn't have any experience with cocaine. So besides a drug hunt, this event led to huge consumption by the locals of the village. While the series is inspired by a real-life event, the story around it is fictional. It's about 4 friends whose lives change completely after this event. The main character is Eduardo, played by actor José Condessa. Eduardo is a young fisherman who was born in Rabo de Peixe. Until the drugs showed up, he lived a very difficult life, financially, religiously, and family-wise, and was very eager to leave the island. But when he bumps into that amount of cocaine, he decides to start, with his friends, an improvised business with it. The problem is that in such a small place, this type of business does not go unnoticed and begins to draw the attention of several people. It is this dangerous adventure and the dynamic interaction between the group of friends, the owners of the drugs, the police, and other interesting characters that cross their path that makes this entire series captivating. Rabo de Peixe was known as a very poor town, and there was some economical, social, and gender stigma towards its people back then, which we will see reflected in Helena Caldeira's character. Along with 2 young actors, several well-known Portuguese actors also participate in the series, such as Maria João Bastos and Albano Jerónimo. The series was directed by Patrícia Sequeira and Augusto Fraga, who happens to be Azorian. Rabo de Peixe was one of the winning projects of a contest made in 2020 by Netflix and the Instituto do Cinema e do Audiovisual to support Portuguese production in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. If you struggle with oral comprehension, watching TV will help you improve your listening skills, exposing you to authentic conversations and accents. These shows also help you with your vocabulary expansion, since they introduce you to a wide range of vocabulary, including colloquial expressions, idioms, and slang. If you want to improve your pronunciation, try to mimic the pronunciation and intonation. When imitating the speech patterns, you will also develop a more authentic accent. You can also learn about Portuguese culture and traditions with these shows. Last but not the least, take advantage of the subtitle settings to support you. Take notes of the expressions and words you don't understand and discuss them with your teacher. This can be a fun, different way of learning since it combines entertainment to education. If you enjoyed my video, leave me a like and a comment. Share with me what shows you are watching and your learning strategies. Até a próxima!